Everyone, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. See, in the last class, I think we finished KCL, few problems based on your analysis of AC also. So today we'll deal with one more topic called as source transformation. Okay. So at the beginning, I think we are given a hint. Source transformation means what, right? So converting voltage to current and current to voltage depending upon the given. Okay. So we'll try to proceed the same logic with problems. Okay, fine. So let's proceed here. So before going for that, I hope everyone got the logic of source transformation, right? So how to tell that source transformation is occurring? So whenever you want to convert voltage to current or current to voltage, so what is the logic I told? If there is a voltage source and that should be a practical voltage source, correct? So if practical voltage source is given, so if this is a given supply, so if you want to convert to a practical current source using a source transformation, what is the logic here? You need to convert into current source, and for that current source, the resistor should be parallel. So how to find I? V by R. So what is the value of V? It says 10. So 10 by 2, you are going to get current as 5 amp. Correct? And the same resistor will come here. So this is how we used to do. Yes, no, here? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So this is the logic you need to have. So now before going to solve the problem, so just tell me if you find such type of things. So for example, if you take voltage sources, so if you connect two voltage source in the same way, okay? So assume that this is 2 and this is 4. So what is the equivalent of this?
6 volts.
So you know that voltages in series can be added. Similarly, current in parallel can be added. So instead of these two separately, I can take one voltage source and I can designate as 6 volt. Correct? So assume that instead of this, I will change the symbol now. Now, what's the answer?
We take the difference of the voltages, sir.
You need to take the difference. So from this two, which is bigger now, 4 is bigger, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you need to subtract 4 from 2. Answer is 2. But what about the symbol representation? Symbol representation you should pick which is having highest. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the things you should be having awareness. If it is both minus plus, then again minus plus only, and you should take sum of these two. So you hope you got the logic now. How to add the things. However it is there, you can do, but only thing you should remember the symbol clearly. Is it done till here? Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So same concept I can apply for my current rule also, right? So current means there should be a parallel combination. So parallel combination, I can take current if both are in same direction. So what is the equivalent for this? Is it 6 only?
Yes, sir. 6.
So arrow mark as it is upward. So 6 amp, right? So instead of this, so assume that I have given this as downward, and if I give 1 amp current, what's the answer? What's the answer? If this is
3
1
amp.
amp,
3, sir.
Three,
so
sir.
direction should be upward or downward?
Upward, sir.
Upward. So just have a logic here, everyone. So whichever is having highest, from that I should subtract. If it is same direction, add it. If it is different direction, subtract from bigger to smaller. So this is what the small things you should be having awareness before going to solve any problem. Okay. So now, whenever they give a problems on source transformation, read the question carefully. See, I told you, whichever network is given, you can solve using your mesh analysis also, using nodal also, using source transformation also. So they will give for the network shown below, obtain mesh analysis, obtain nodal analysis, obtain source transformation. Read the question completely. Don't be in a hurry. By just seeing the conversion, do whatever you want. Read the question, then go ahead. Okay. So go with the first one. So let's try to solve basics problem then. Then I will add independent problem. Okay. Go with the first one now, everyone. Put on the first question. For the network shown below, find the for the network shown below, find the equivalent current source. Find the equivalent current source using source transformation technique. I'll repeat. For the network shown below, find the equivalent current source using source transformation technique. So they're given two terminals for you. One is A here, one is B here. I'll just write the voltages. Is it visible here what I'm writing? Everyone? Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. First, write on the question first. Make a note of the question. Whatever type of questions they fully. So the same problem I can solve using mesh analysis also, nodal also. Okay. So the question is using source transformation. I need to get the terminal. See, A is here, B is here. So in between this is what network. So this complex network, I am supposed to reduce it to a single current source. That is what the question. So for the given network, apply source transformation technique and get an equivalent current source between the terminal A and B. Got the question first of all, everyone? Have you got the question here?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me how to proceed. See, you should have a logic that when the current source are in parallel, I can add. Similarly, when voltage source are in series, I can add. Okay, look at the question carefully. See, this is a one voltage source and this is one practical current source. Correct? Similarly, you have two practical voltage source in parallel. So what is the logic now? You can't add the voltage source in parallel. Can you add? Can you
No,
add
sir.
the voltages in parallel?
No, sir.
Right?
No, sir.
So what can be done? I need to apply my source transformation technique combination to practical current source. Similarly, this 6-3-1 combination to practical current source. So then I can do the addition of current source. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So similarly here also, you already have one current source here. So this is one more voltage source. If I convert this back to a current source, again these two combination become parallel. Can I get one from that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So again that current source and this current source again they are in parallel. Okay. So same logic you apply, get the answer in terms of current only. See, listen carefully. Don't be in a hurry to tell the final answer. Each steps carries a marks. So I want you to represent step by step clearly. So what is the first step? You write this conversion in current, this conversion in current, this conversion in current. That is a step number. Then simplify it, then do step by step. So this is the way you need to solve. Each steps carries mark. So be alert. So now we will go one by one. So let me convert this to a practical current source. Okay. So stick on with the procedure. So 0.5 is there. 0.5 and then this 4 as it is. So there is no change with this. Now tell me how to make this to current. So current, I will write. What should be the symbol now? Whether it is upward or downward?
Upward.
Why? Because positive is upside, negative. I told you clearly, right? Arrow mark, top indicates plus, the head indicates plus, and tail indicates minus. Sign up. So because of that, I can write the symbol here. So what is the value of this? How to get this current? I is equals to V by R. So V is 2 divided by R is 4. What is 2 by 4?
0.5.
2 now.
0.4.
0.5, sir.
It's 2 by 4, not 4 by 2. I is equals to V by R. V is 2. 2 by 4 is 0.5 R. So we have converted this voltage source to current source. And what about that 4 ohm resistor? Series or parallel?
Parallel. sir.
Parallel.
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 Good. So connect that to parallel. So terminal is here. You can keep that A as it is. Same way, you need to convert this to also to practical current source. Correct, Appa? So let me convert that here only. So this part I can write here also. In here it is parallel connection, no problem. And what about direction of this current now? Up or downward?
Downwards.
Down.
Downward.
Because
Downward, sir.
positive is towards here. So arrow mark should be towards downward. What is the value?
2 amps.
2 amps.
2
So
amps.
it's I is equals to V by R, 6 by 3. It means 2 amps. So what about the resistor parallel?
3 ohm.
Is 3. Similarly, you have one more current source. So connect here. Direction will be
Upward.
Upwards.
upwards. Good. So connect direction upwards. What is the value here? V by R.
3 amps.
3 by 1. So I can
Yes,
write
sir.
3 now. And connect one more resistor of 1 ohm here. So this is terminal B. So any doubts? Anyone till here? Any doubts? Anyone till here? Are you able to understand the way to solve the source transformation? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now what is the thing? So after this, next step is combine this
Adding.
two parallel to one. Similarly, combine these two parallel to one. That is second next step. So don't write everything together. I told you, right? Step by step you should follow. So now convert this to a single current source. So what is the answer for top one?
1 ampere, sir. Facing
So I
upwards.
will write this side. So it's 0.5, 0.5. Both directions are same, right? So I can add easily. So I can get 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1 amp. And what about the resistor? It's in parallel or series?
Parallel.
Parallel. So you should do
Parallel,
what? 4 into, what is the value of this value? 4, huh?
4 ohm.
4 amps, sir.
Okay. So you can do 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4. How much here?
2 ohms, sir.
2 volt.
So we'll get 2. So we'll write directly 2 ohm here. So you better know how to do conversion of parallel of resistor, right? So you can do the logic 1 by R plus 1 by R1 plus R2. Okay, na pile go. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now similarly downwards also. Downwards, see 2 is downwards and 3 is upward. So what is the answer now?
3 minus 1.
3 minus
minus
1.
two.
What
1
about
ampere
direction?
facing upwards.
3 minus 2, 1, sir.
Upward.
So upward direction should be given because highest is 3. So subtract that with other because both are in opposite direction. Okay. So this is in your parallel, right? So you can connect the things like this. So it's a parallel combination. You can connect upward 1 amp. And what is the value of this resistor?
0.75.
0.75.
How much?
0.75.
0.75. Any doubts, anyone? Is it fine till here? Am I clear? Shall we proceed? Okay. So now both current are in parallel, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You add parallel currents?
No, sir.
You can. See, actually this is not parallel, it is like series.
Series.
It is not like parallel, it is series. Correction, no? See, even though this junction is there, it look like series only. But we know that practical current source in series can't be added. So what can be done?
So voltage source
That's
converted
it.
in.
So convert this
source
individual
transformation.
practical current source in series to a voltage source. If voltages are in series, can we add or not?
Yes, sir. We can add.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
So proceed now. So convert that. So convert this to a single voltage source and that should be practical. So 2 volt, 2 ohm will be there. And what is the value of voltage here? Direction
2
is
volts,
plus
sir.
minus. So V is
Plus
equals to
minus.
I into R. 2 volt and a pump.
Yes, sir.
So A is here. So similarly, what about this? So one resistor of 0.5 is there, 0.75, and value of resistor is given. Voltage is like this. What's the value now?
0.75.
0.75 volts.
0.75 volt. Fine. So V1, V2, this store in series. Can you make
Yes,
it to
sir.
one voltage source?
Yes,
So
sir.
this become, and what about resistor? Is in series or parallel?
Series, sir.
You can add, so you
Series.
will get one resistor of 2.75 and one voltage source, both are in same direction. I can add 2.75 volt. So is it what terminal between A and B in terms of voltage? Am I correct, Ilya?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, anyone, Ilya?
No, sir.
So what is the question they asked? They asked you to get in terms of current source, right? Yes or no,
Equivalent
yeah?
current.
So you have to
Yes, sir.
simplify. You have to simplify further. Ultimate goal should be, answer should be in terms of current source, practical current source. What we should do now?
Source
V by I.
transformation, sir.
So again convert it this combination to your current. So single current I is equals to V by R. Direction is upward. What's the value?
1 amps.
Sir.
1 amp.
Yes, sir.
And value of pressure is 2.75. So this is what the equivalent practical current source between the terminal A and B. So you everyone got the logic? Any doubts? Anyone with this solution of problem?
No, sir.
So you understood the logic. See, I just went through the simple problem so that you can understand. So now we'll increase the complexity. Any doubts? Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me erase this. So go with the next question. Okay. Write on the question. For the given electrical network, find the current I naught. For the given electrical network, find the current I naught using source transformation technique. So they're given network here. Just copy the network here. So the value of current is given as 5, resistor is 6, and again one more resistor is there. They have given one voltage source here. The value of, so your I naught is here. So it means you need to find the current across 7 ohm resistor. Okay. The value of 5, there is one more current source, and there is a resistor of 1 ohm and 4 ohm. So this is a given question here. So what is the question says? You need to solve the current I naught across 7 ohm, right? So using your source transformation technique. So this is what the given question. Question is visible? Question is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now tell me how to solve the problem. Stick on to the procedure. Just check all the things, possible things first. Then tell me what all things you can do. First analyze. See, once you make a plan that this is a way I can solve the problem, then you can do the things step by step. So that is the procedure you need to follow. Yeah. So what is the first thing you can make? Just look at the question carefully and tell me.
The source transformation of the voltage source 5 volts, sir.
So before applying source transformation, just look at some resistors are in series. Can I make it to 1?
Yes, sir.
See
Sir.
here,
4
1
ohm
ohm
and
and
1
4
ohm.
ohm both are same, right? I just need to add easily. It's in series. So instead of writing separately, I can make it to 1. That is the first thing. Everyone got what I told? So this is in series. So I can reduce it to 1. Agree?
Yes.
So that is your step number 1. So eliminate this to a single resistor and write the value of it as 5 ohm. Done? Yeah. Now think what you should do. What you should do? See, one more hint. Listen carefully, everyone. Whenever the question is given, you need to find particular. It means this 7. You are not supposed to do any alteration. Underline the word. Wherever they are going to ask you to get the current, you need to retain that as it is. See, if you do the conversion, for example, look at here. So this 7 and 3, 5 are in parallel. Correct, Naya? By looking this, can I make this 7 and 5 in parallel or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Parallel,
their mind
sir.
will tell both are in parallel, so do it parallel. This is where you will do mistake. Understood? Fine. So whenever they ask find the current I naught, it means you are not supposed to touch that 7 ohm. It should be constant. But you can look at here. You can look at this junction. I can make this 6 and 3 combination as parallel. Can I make to one resistor?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because it is free. But it is depending on this 7 ohm means retain this and do the conversions remaining possible. Then try to keep that 7 ohm as it is till the end so that we can find the current easily. So logic is I need to eliminate so many meshes to a single mesh, then I can get one current easily. Is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now 5 ohm is done. So we told that this should not be get altered. Then what is the possibility? So next step, can I make this 2 to 1? Can I?
Yes, sir.
So parallel this 6 and 3 and tell me what is the answer?
2 amps.
Step. One current source of 5 and one single resistor will come. How much here?
2, sir.
2 ohms, sir.
2 ohm. Good. So retain this 7 ohm because I naught is here. So we'll take this current and I will take this 5 ohm and 3. Now tell me after this what is the next step? I want you to tell now. So I've given the hint, you're not supposed to alter this. So what can be done?
Convert
What you will
the
do?
current source into voltage, sir.
This part,
Last
Current.
part.
if you convert this,
To voltage
this current source, what I have just highlighted the other color. If you convert this practical current source to voltage source, then this voltage source becomes series. I can add to one. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. Proceed. So convert that and make it to single voltage source. What is the answer?
10 volts
Here is
series
it
with
visible? Just check out. If right here is it visible? So we'll convert this to voltage source. See direction plus minus as it is you should give. Don't give any alteration here. So direction is like this. So same way you follow. What is the value of this? Is it 10?
10 volts, 2 amps.
10 volt 2 and this is your minus plus and this is 5. Okay. So this is I naught. I will keep as it is 7. Current source 3 and 5. Okay, Napa? So now tell me, is it addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Why subtraction?
Addition, sir. Addition.
Sir, positive. Both are not in
Both are
same.
same. See, that's why I told look at the direction. If for your reference, you can write direction opposite way. Is it going in same way or opposite way?
Same way.
Same way, right? See, you should be very careful here. Don't think that one is horizontal like this, one is vertical like this. It doesn't mean that I should subtract. I can write this, so right? Both are same only, correct na? That's why I told remember the direction. If both are same direction, no need to do subtraction. You can add easily. Correct and wrong? Artha aita?
Yes,
So
sir.
now this equivalent becomes what? So this is your next step. So remember that's why I'm telling step by step. Step 1, series combination. Step 2, conversion of that resistors. Then step 3, converting current to voltage. Then getting the equivalent voltage source. So I will write here next step. So what is next step here? So the 2 voltage become 1 now, plus minus. What's the value?
15 volts.
15 volt and 2 ohm is like this.
Oh.
And here I can have 7 is here. You should alter this I told, and you have one current source of 3 and one resistor of 5. Yeah, now tell me how to proceed. What is next step? What is next?
Current, sir.
What you will do now?
We will now convert 15 volts into current, sir.
See,
Current
one practical voltage source is there and one practical current source is there. So I told you should not do anything for this 7 ohm. It means what? If I convert this practical voltage source to current source, this current source become one?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That is the only possibility, right? See, if this current, if they're not asked, then straight away I could have done this to current parallel. I could have done all the parallel combination, wind the problem. But that is what they are not asked. They have asked you to find particularly the current across is 7 ohm. So it means retain it. So now next possibility is what? Convert this to a practical current source. What is the answer? And direction is upward or downward?
Upward, sir.
Upward. What is the value? What's the value? How much?
7.5.
7.5 amp, and the value of resistor is 2. So now this is your next step. So what is next I told? So both current are in same direction now.
Adding.
You can add easily. So that becomes
10.5.
current source with 10.5. What about value of resistor here?
2.
Excluding that 7. So 2 and 5 are in parallel. What's the answer?
7, sir.
7, huh? 2 and 5 parallel
1.
combination. Step answer.
1.42.
1.4. So any doubts? Anyone till here? 1.43 for restore?
1.42.
Okay.
42.
I'll write 1.4. No problem. So any doubts? Anyone till here? If you have doubt, you can ask. So I hope till here. Any doubts to anyone? Am I clear till here to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now what is the thing you can make? Can I convert back that current to voltage?
Sir.
Yes or no? See, listen here. You can do the things in 2 ways. Listen everyone carefully. I hope, do you know the logic of your branch current rule? Do you know the logic of branch current rule? Say yes or no. Do you know rule of branch current or not? I'm not getting answer from you. Yes or no, yeah? You're thinking answer or what are you thinking?
Branch currents are different, sir.
No, that's what. Do you know that rule I'm asking?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, can anyone tell me what is the branch current formula? So now this is what the final answer you got. So from here, you can solve this in 2 ways. One is by converting this practical current source to voltage source, you get a single mesh. So that single current, if you find, that itself is your I naught. Agree here?
Yes, sir.
That is one way. Or one more method is I can use the logic of my branch current. I can use the logic of my branch current to get the current. Okay, listen here. So let's try to do both method. We'll see the answer. It should match, right? Listen. So will any of you know how to convert that to mesh and you do? So let me tell you how to do the branch current logic. Listen everyone. So whenever you find such type of thing, such type means there should be a main current. I will call this 10.5 as a main current. Out of 10.5, what is the current across 7 ohm is a question now. So I can tell I naught is a branch current. So I naught is a branch current. So formula for branch current is branch current is equal to main current. So main
Current.
current estapa.
10.5.
Okay, na? So 10.5. Now listen carefully. For branch current, he's here. So which is the opposite resistor for branch current?
1.42 ohm.
So 1.43 is opposite current. So formula says branch current is equals to main current into opposite resistor divided by sum of two resistor. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat.
Yes, sir.
Branch current formula I'm applying. See, you can apply branch current only when you find such type of things in network. There should be only one main current and one branch current. Then only you can apply this formula, not more than this. So be alert. So branch current says main current into opposite resistor. Opposite resistor for branch current is 1.43 divided by sum of these two. What's the answer? How much?
1.78, sir.
Good. 1.78 amp. So this is what the ultimate thing what they have asked in the question, correct? Using source transformation, calculate the current across I naught. We have proved it. Any doubts? Anyone till here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
So shall I proceed? So same way I told one more method, right? If you don't remember this, you can go with your normal mesh analysis also. So what's the thing you can do here is, so after this step, I'll give one more in or, so what I told, convert this practical current source to practical voltage source. So what is the value? Plus minus
14.91.
resistor will be written 1.43 and here 7 is there, keep as it is, and this is your I naught. What is the value of voltage here? V is equals to I
14.91.
into R.
14.91.
14.91. Okay, Napa. So now I need to apply a mesh analysis. I should find I. Correct and wrong? Apply mesh analysis for this now. So direction clockwise are taken. Minus to plus means plus 14.91 minus 1.43 I minus 7 I equal to 0. Tell me what is I now? What is the value of I? How much? So just apply KVL equation I told. 14.91 because I am going from minus to plus. Then minus 1.43i minus 7i equals to 0. How much here?
So 2.8.
1.78.
Is it same answer? Just compare both. Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
So understood now? Whether you solve using branch current method or you solve using mesh analysis method, both answers should be same. So this is for your hint. That's why I try to analyze both together so that whichever you feel comfortable, go with that, and you can do verification yourself. Whether you're done right or wrong, you can do verification yourself. So if you get different answer, it means you're done somewhere mistake on that. Is it fine? Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, so dependent type of problem logic understood. So shall we do one independent problem? So dependent problem now. Independent is done. We'll go with dependent problem. Is it fine here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go with next type. So let's try to solve dependent type problem now. Someone is near to TV, I think. If you want, you can mute yourself or you can come out from that place. Voice is audible here. Mute yourself. I think it was Rakshit 103. See, whenever you want to talk, you can unmute. Otherwise, let it be muted because your background music is coming here. Yeah. So let's proceed. Go to the next question. So we'll try to solve some dependent problems now. Find the current Ix. Find the current Ix for the network shown below. Find the current Ix for the network shown below using source transformation technique. See, you should understand the question carefully. Source transformation technique is what they will give. So they are asking you to find the current Ix, and Ix is here. Okay. So just finish off the question. Just make a note. So this is what type of dependent source I want to tell. So A, B is given here. So this is fine. Yeah. So we'll try to solve a simple problem on dependent. Then I will increase the complexity. Yes. What type of dependent source here?
Sir, current dependent voltage source.
Current dependent voltage source. Very good. So can you tell me across what it is depending now? Across Ix. Where is Ix?
10 ohm.
Across 10 ohm. So what is the question? You need to find the current across this 10 ohm now. So it means you're not supposed to do any alteration to 10 ohm. So
10 ohm.
remaining you can do whatever you want. So what is the thing you can do now?
Sir,
How to solve? How will you solve here?
Convert the voltage into current.
Depending source into current source.
See, irrespective of current source with respect to dependent or independent, we can apply a logic of source transformation. Yes or no? So if we convert this practical voltage source to current source, then that can this become
Parallel.
correct? Huh? So the first step is this. So convert this practical current source or voltage source to current source. Irrespective of dependent independent, stick on to procedure. Only thing I should write what is Ix. That's it. Okay. Yeah, tell me how to convert now. So we'll return the other current source as it is. So 24 milli. Don't write it as 24 amp. It is 24 milliamp. And they're given one resistor of 10. So this I should keep as it is, I told. So I told you to convert this to current. So now symbol should be dependent. What's the arrow work now?
Downwards.
Downwards. Very good. So this is a mistake you will commit. And value of resistor should be in parallel now. Tell me what is the value now of this?
0.4
How will you
Ix.
find now? So we know that I is equals to V by R. So what is V here? 2Ix divided by R. R is 5. Fair enough? But what is Ix? What will write for Ix? Ix irtana. That is what you're supposed to find, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So what
sir.
I should replace now? Wherever current source is there, I should write as 2 by 5 times of Ix. Right and wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. What will do next step?
Adding the current source.
So this two are in
Parallel.
parallel, right? But what is the symbol you write? Symbol should be of
Dependent.
dependent source. See, independent symbol you can eliminate, but dependent you can't eliminate. So symbol should be dependent.
Dependent.
So rest right dependent. So I will add direction is downward now. So what you should do? This minus this arm.
Yes, sir.
So what I
Yes,
should do with
sir.
the value now? So downwards 2 by 5 Ix minus 24 milliamps. Is it what the value?
Yes, sir.
So for this 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 5 ohm is as it is.
Yes,
Now tell me how to proceed. I want you to tell what is the Ix answer now. What you will do now again? Can you convert this current and this 5 ohm to practical voltage source again? Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
See, that is the
Yes,
only
sir.
way. Unless until you get a single mesh, you can't apply your KCL, right? Because you're not solving the problem using, I could have done separate mesh. But logic is I need to apply my source transformation. So this current and this phi, I will convert back to my voltage source. So how it looks now? Yeah, you're understanding or not what we're doing?
Understood, sir.
Good. So proceed. Proceed here. So now I want this to be converted to voltage. What is symbol now? So symbol should be minus
Dependent.
plus. Is it so?
Reverse, sir.
Look at direction carefully. That's why I told it is plus minus. What's the value? So for this I can connect
Into
5 ohm in series and this 10 ohm I will keep as it is now. So this is your A and B. This is 10, this is Ix. So this is your 5. Yeah, what is the value? I into R. V is equals to I into R. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾ?
2ix minus 120 milli.
Minus 120.
2.
sir. Point
Ix
I think it's 2.
2ix minus
2
120
ix
milli.
minus
You multiply. V is equals to I into R. So this value should multiply by 5. After multiplying 5, tell me what is the answer? How much, yeah?
2ix
So 2ix
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 minus
minus 120 milli.
120.
minus
120.
120.
120, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Milli automata.
Yes, sir. Milli ಇರುತ್ತೆ, sir.
will be
Milli
there.
is there. So this much amp is what the voltage. Now what you will do? Apply your logic and find I. See I nothing but Ix only. Correct? Huh? So apply your mesh analysis now. So plus 2 minus means I should write minus 2Ix minus 120 milli. Then minus 5I. So I is nothing but Ix only. Correct and wrong? Can I take I is equal to Ix? Can I?
Yes.
So wherever you find I, that is nothing but Ix only. Then minus 10 Ix equal to 0. Yes, solve this and tell me what is the X answer now. See, if you are able to understand such type of problem, you can do the independent way easily. Don't forget that milli. So you can multiply that minus inside and get the answer. What is Ix? Check out.
Seven point zero five
7.05
milliamperes, sir.
milliamp.
7.05 milliamps. Good. So others got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Got the logic now, everyone, how to solve dependent problem? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, anyone still with this? If you have doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll go with the next one. Shall I? Let's continue here. Any doubts with this problem? Okay, go with next one.
ಅವ್ನು ಯಾರ್ನ ಕರೀತಾನೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು.
Yeah, Chiranjeevi, if you want to talk, you can go out and talk and come up. Other at least have common sense to mute and talk. Okay, go with the next one. Go with the next one. Calculate current through, calculate the current through 3 ohm resistor. Calculate the current through 3 ohm resistor and voltage across it. Calculate the current through 3 ohm resistor and voltage across it. It means you should find current as well as voltage for the given network for the given network using source transformation technique. Using source transformation technique. So write the question here. Write on the question first. So 4 amp is given here and 4 ohm resistor is given here. 2 ohm is there. Voltage source. So they are given plus or minus Vx here. So 3 volt, this is 6 volt. For this, one more 4 ohm is in parallel. Question can't see and wrong. Is it visible? Question is visible, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the given question. Okay. So is it a problem based on dependent now? Is it a problem based on dependent? So now I want
Yes,
to
sir.
explain how to solve this problem. So first we will have a strategy. We will try to analyze the problem the way we should solve. Then you can solve step by step. First we will make a plan how to do the things. Then you tell me how to do. Yeah, what is the first thing? Question barkondra. Written a question. Written a question, yeah? Everyone? Question is done or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now tell me what all things can be done here. What you will do to solve this? See, this is dependent. So what type of dependent source they are given?
Voltage dependent voltage source.
Voltage dependent current source.
Good. So this is depending on where? Across this 3 ohm now. So Vx across this 3 ohm. So now they ask you to find what? This only, right? So they ask you to find the current across 3 ohm and voltage across it. So it means I should retain this 3 as it is and I can do whatever I want for remaining. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the procedure now? Tell me. What you will, how will you solve? Look at the question carefully and tell me. What can be done? What, anything can we eliminate anywhere?
So 4 ohm can be eliminated.
Very good. Why?
Redundant resistor.
Very good. See, whenever you have current source in series with any resistor, it is called as illegal. That is called as redundant resistor. Saradappa? Correct, na yaar? So whenever you find a current source in series with any resistor, I can eliminate because it is illegal. So we know that always current source should have a practical resistor in parallel. So if similarly voltage source, if it is resistor in parallel also, I can eliminate. So this logic you remember, right? Everyone, you got why we removed 4 ohm there?
Yes, sir.
So after removing 4 ohm, so you need to build a new circuit now. This is your step 1. So you should write, since 4 ohm resistor is redundant or 4 ohm is in series with a current source of 4 amp, I can eliminate. So eliminate that with a sentence and write there. Yeah, next. What can be done next? What is next? What you will do, yeah?
So other 4 ohm resistors should be neglected.
Which one? This one? You want to neglect that? Why?
No, sir.
See, this, if this is not there, you can eliminate. For this, practical is there, right? Why you will eliminate that 4 ohm? Others, do you want that 4 ohm to be eliminated?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You should not. See, this 3 ohm is
No,
there for
sir.
6 volt means this is one practical voltage source. So this is nowhere relevant to this. Getting here? So don't blindly remove wherever you want. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what can be done? Can I convert this current source to voltage source?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can I convert this current source to voltage source?
Yes, sir.
Sir, no, that is your next step. Agree? See, if you want to apply source transformation, you can't simplify. We know that here current is there, but both are not same. It's not in parallel to add. It is in like series. So instead of that, convert this to voltage, convert this to voltage. This combination comes to series. Can I add that time? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, proceed. So convert this practical current source to voltage. What's the answer? So direction should be
Negative point.
direction same way how it is there. What is the value of V now? I into R. Is it 8 volt?
Yes,
Am I correct? Plus or minus Vx 3 ohm as it is 6 volt. So 4 ohm is carry for this. And again here one more voltage source plus minus up and 2 is here. What is the value of this? V is equals to I into R. What is the value of I? 2 Vx. What is the value of R? It's 2. Can you write this V as 4 Vx?
yes, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
4 Vx now? Yeah, Artha explain, bro. Everyone, is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at this. So one is going in this way, one is coming in this way. Is it matching or not? And this is voltage source or not? Both are in same direction, right?
Yes, sir.
So can I add? And what should be the symbol representation? Dependent or independent?
Independent.
Dependent. So rewrite this. I'll rewrite here. So this two, this combination I can add. So that becomes what is the value? It says 4 plus 8. Right up. So this value plus this value. What about resistor? Is it become 4 ohm now? Right. What are you doing? As it is plus minus Vx is here. And for this, now tell me what's the next step after this? What is next step? What is done here next? Yeah, all are listening.
Sir,
What we
the
are doing?
direction of voltage source is reverse. It's dependent
We should
voltage source.
subtract.
This should be this side, no? Okay, na? Is it fine? What is next step? Think what can be done next? I need to eliminate this to single mesh. Then only I can apply my mesh analysis to find what is the current across the tree ohm. So how to convert this to single mesh now? 4 ohm resistor is there, 1 4 ohm resistor is there. So I should make it as parallel combination means what I should do? Can I convert back to current now? Yeah, I'm asking people only. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I need to convert this practical voltage source to current source. You got why I'm converting?
Yes,
If
sir.
you convert this 4 and that 4 become parallel, then again convert back to voltage. So we'll get one single mesh. That is the logic, right? Convert this to a practical current source. Tell me what's the answer. So 4 is there. I've written this as it is. So 6 volt. What is the value of this current now? I is equals to V by R. So V 4Vx plus 8. divided by R is 4. So I can take 4 common. It look like Vx plus 2 divided by 4. So can I write current as Vx plus 2 here? Can I write current as Vx plus 2? Yes or no? Yeah, everyone just yes or no? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you got now what can I? Yeah. Can I convert this 4 and 4 in parallel? I will get one single resistor. What is the answer for that?
2 ohms.
What is 4 into 4? 2 na? So now what is the
Yes,
new
sir.
circuit? See, step by step, I wanted to follow this step. So this 4 ohm goes off now. So what is left out is minus 6 and 3 ohm is there. So 6 is here, plus or minus Vx, 3 is there, and retain this current source as it is. And now we are going to get one single resistor. What is the value told? 2 na?
2.
Yes, sir.
So can I convert this back to one voltage source now?
Yes, sir.
That is where I can get one single mesh, right? So what is the answer? So 6 volt is there. Then Vx of 3 ohm is there. So symbol should be minus plus and resistor becomes 2. What is the value of this? V is equals to I into R. I is Vx plus 2 into R is 2. Is it 2 Vx plus 4? Am I correct? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now what is the thing left out? I just need to apply mesh analysis, get the value of I. Check out what is the answer. See, if you won't write step by step, you won't get full marks. Try to follow the steps clearly here. So just try to wind with this, make it fast. So try to get the answer. This is 6 alpha. So I'm going clockwise. Plus 2 minus means minus 2 Vx plus 4. Then minus 2 plus is plus 6. Then again minus 3. I is equal to 0. What's the answer? So what is Vx equals to? See, I need to solve this Vx first. Then only I can get the answer of I. What is Vx equals to from network? What is Vx?
ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ.
ನಂಗೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆಪ್ಪ.
Yeah, Chiranjeevi.
ಇಷ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ
ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ.
ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ಪೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳು ಅವಾಗ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಪಿತ ಕಳ್ಸು ಅರ್ಪಿತ ಕಳ್ಸು
ಯಾ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಲೋ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾವನೋ ಸರ್ರು ಪಕ್ಕ
Yeah, Chiranjeevi, call me here. You call me, man. I wanted to call Chiranjeevi. Yeah, others. Check out this answer here. So what is the Vx value? What is Vx? Where is Vx? Vx
Across
is
3
here.
ohm resistance. 3 ohm resistance.
So can I write, see, V is equals to I into R. We know Vx is across this. So can I write this as 3I?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not here, everyone? See, wherever Vx is there, that value with respect to I into R I should do. So 3 into I. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So just replace this here. It become 2 into, so 3I plus 4 plus 6 minus 3I equal to 0. What's the answer? Check out what is the answer of current now. How much, yeah? Others? You got the way how to write the equation, everyone? You got how I have substituted Vx equal to 3 times of I?
0.857.
0.8?
857.
0.8?
57, sir.
57. Okay, good. So this is what the correct answer. So that is not the end of problem. They asked what else they asked? They asked you to find voltage also, right? So you need to find Vx is equals to 3 times of I. So multiply 3 into 0.85. How much? How much, yeah? Three into 0.85.
2.255.
2.57.
2.255.
Point?
55.
Okay, 55 volts. See, that is the end of a problem. Understood now, everyone? Got the logic here? How to solve the problems on source transformation now? Irrespective of dependent, independent, stick on to procedure. If you know KCL, KVL, just need to apply voltage to current, current to voltage, get the answer. Any doubts, anyone till here? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll try to stop here. We'll continue next class. So attendance, you just enter in your chat box and you can leave. And who is CR is there? Arun is there?
Sir, there is no chat box here. Sir.
It's there.
Chat box is not there.
It's there.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yeah, it's there, yeah. Arun?
There, sir.
Yeah, Arun, you are there? Arun, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
I want that Chiranjeevi to call me here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, everyone, see you next class.
Sir, there is no chat box.
There
Who
is
is
no